everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to give you a new update that we can expect it will be there at Odoo 20, which is in AI part. Okay, so you already know that Odoo 19 already has their inbuilt AI assistant called as Ask AI. So I'll show you that because I genuinely created two of them. So this is Odoo 19 version Odoo 19's dashboard, and from the AI itself, if I'm just simply clicking on, you can see that we have an Ask AI thing, right? Let me zoom this in. Okay. So here we are. But you know what? In Odoo 20 version that we can expect under the masters, it looked like getting it a bit off globe for Odoo 20. Like they are genuinely creating some little bit of updates, but it's going to give a huge improvement or a huge productivity on your Ask AI inbuilt or Odoo AI section. Okay, so let me show you what's actually changing. Quick heads up, I just want to show you or say you one thing. This is from Odoo Masters Development Brands. So treat this as an expected thing, not confirmed, since this could still change before the real release time. Okay, so this is the Ask AI, and let's see what are they. So here is what it looked like right now in Odoo 19. It's called Ask AI, and you opened it from the apps menu like anything else. Like you can move on to there and you can get something like this. Okay, so it says hellos, and you can see they actually giving you a message like what can I help you with, right? This is the message, and they we have a little bit of prompt that is already provided. For example, the pivot of the product with less than 5 in stock, something like that. You can see that, like show sales by the product category this month, summarize what the last ticket complain about, what is the agenda of today or the today business, something like that. Okay, so this is a kind of it. Like honestly, we can say the only extra option you will get like an open discuss section. So if you are just moving on to there you will get a drop down arrow. Simply click on that option and you will you're generally moving on to the open discuss session, and you will only get something very simple way, like it's a pretty simple one chat window, nothing fancy, right? So we only get something like this. But once we are moving on to the expected features of that we can expect inside Odoo 20, there we have a big glow that happened. So I'm going to show you that from there itself. I'm removing this, and there you can see there we have option to close the window, and we can also fold this. Okay, but once we are moving on to the expected one, we'll get a lot more thing. Okay, so here I'm moving on to the masters, and let me show you what will be happening there. Okay, so there we have the same menu like that, Ask AI, and if I'm simply clicking on that option, it is loading, and there we have a few more options. So I'm going to show you what are they. So now under this master section, this is the same as the renamed of Odoo AI, but you can tell they have actually put some work into it. Okay, so the starting from the first thing, even the intro message is different. From there itself, you can simply see what is the help or what the Odoo AI can do for us. But you can see the starting messages like your Odoo side kick for the most day-to-day task. It is actually changed. Okay, so from there itself, you can see that. And you know what, something like happen, like the kind of tells you want to feel like it's a real part of your workflow, like it's giving you like a original AI features. It's not just we can say some side gimmick trick or like this is not an artificial thing. From there itself you can simply talk to the AI with more realistic way. So that's what it actually happens from there itself. And the biggest in the actual change through in this little drop down next to the chat name, like in your Odoo 19, your only option was an open discuss session. Right there, I've already show you, but from there itself, you can see if I simply click on this drop down menu, there we have a lot more things or the menus like the search messages, rename thread, add to favorite, and even though you guys can simply delete this AI chat. Okay, so these are the main things. So now you can actually go back to search old conversation, or you can rename a thread if you are remember when it was even there, or what is about that. And there we have an option to favorite once you will want to again. And this genuinely useful because we have a lot more options inside this. Okay, So it's treating like this is a real ongoing tool instead of one and done chat box. So from there itself you can search any kind of messages and everything. Okay, so I hope you will understood what it looks like in this menu option under this particular drop down menu, and this is so useful. And you can also see something like in a blue color, which means resume previous chat. So there is also little notice pop up. Yeah, so this new chat started and resume previous chat. So if you want to see anything in the previous way, so like if you, I will give you an example. Like if you were made a conversation earlier with your AI or Oru AI, like in the yesterday or previous day or any type. Okay, you don't have to start completely from the scratch itself. You will get all previous chat from there itself. Okay, in a very single click you can open and it just pick up all the backup things. So that's how it actually works. And if you don't want this, you can simply remove this one from there itself, and tada, it's removed. And you already know that in Odoo 19.4 itself, it's introduced in voice message. Like you don't want to chat anything, so you can also simply click on this option and it will be directly going onto the voice message, and you can say anything that you need. If you want to open any kind of report, simply click on this option and you just need to allow this time. So I'm allowing. So from there itself, you can start your conversation. Okay. So let me start one more time. Open the CRM report. So once I've done with that, Odoo is transcribing that particular thing and it's already there. So if you want to send them, you can simply send. And before navigating into the multiple tools or the multiple modules, Odoo AI will be directing you to there itself. So we have already discussed that particular thing. Okay. So I just don't want to, explain that in very, like an explained way. I just want to remember you that there we have something like this. Okay. So it is actually loading. There you can see. So there we have a loading trouble, but it's okay. You can move on to the YouTube video that we have already created, and from there itself you can see what I've done with that. So here we have an work offline thing, no problem. Okay, so you can do like this. Tara, you can see this is the project configuration. Let me move back. So here it has happened something like this. So once again, I'm going to do this. Please open the cash flow statement. So if I'm just providing the cash flow statement, I can move on to there. So Odoo AI will be just directing us to there itself. Let's see. So it's retrieving menu. So from there itself, you can see it is moved to the cash flow statement. Because I've already done a detailed video about what is the new changes that happens inside Odoo 19.4 itself, inside the accounting module and AI as well. So you can go and check it there. So I just make sure that you already know this feature. That's why. Okay. So these are the basic things that has happened inside your AI, which means Odoo AI. So I made it on the surface of it just look like a rename, but I think it's actually more than that. Like it's feel like they are running or turning this from a quick one-off Q&A thing into something else. Like you can see generally come back to throughout your day, and you can see that it giving it history, organization, and there you will get a continuity, basically treating in the same way you had treated the discuss or any proper messaging tool inside Odoo, but it will be giving more productive and appropriate way. So yeah, that's all about Odoo AI. That's the jump from Ask AI in Odoo 19 to what it actually look like it will be on Odoo AI going forward. Okay, so thank you, Odoo, because you have actually done a great thing inside Odoo AI that simplify all our daily tasks. And I expect this feature will be there inside Odoo 20. We are also expecting that. So please do put these kind of thing because it's more realistic way. Like we can't even chat with AI like in a typing way or a texting message in every time, but we will get like something like this and giving us a history, resume, everything. Like we can resume each and every chat from there to here itself. It's a big thing. Okay, So we already like this thing. So these are the main changes that actually happen inside the AI, and we are expecting this will be there at Odoo 20. That's all about this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye bye.